Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove and add background to your video in CapCut PC. So first, you can select your video that you want to edit. Example, right. So go to remove the background, select cutout, and select auto cutout or remove the background automatic. So after done, you can select the background that you like to add. For example, like CapCut logo as a background. So for the video, you can move up, make it as an overlay, and just for the duration in the same way. And you can resize like so. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.